Hey everyone! Today's topic is a little sensitive but super important. We're diving into how to maintain sexual health after 50. Let's get started. First off, let's acknowledge that talking about sexual health can be uncomfortable, especially as we get older. But guess what? It's a vital part of overall well-being. A University of Michigan poll found that 76% of respondents agreed that sex is important in a relationship at any age, yet hardly anyone talks about it with their doctors. We need to change that. So, what is sexual health? Sexual health means being able to embrace and enjoy sexuality throughout life. This includes pleasure, access to resources, and open communication. It's about feeling comfortable in your own skin and having the confidence to talk about your needs and desires. Now let's talk about why sexual health is important, especially after 50. Sexuality doesn't just stop at a certain age. It's crucial for emotional intimacy, stress reduction through hormone release, and even physical health. Did you know that regular sex can improve cardiovascular health by lowering cholesterol and blood pressure? Plus, exercise improves stamina and blood flow to sexual organs. So, yeah, it's all connected. But as we age, there are some changes we need to be aware of. For women, menopause can bring lowered libido and vaginal dryness, while men might experience erectile dysfunction. Other contributing factors include lifestyle choices like alcohol and smoking, medical conditions such as heart disease and diabetes, and medications like statins and beta blockers. It's a lot, but don't worry, there are ways to manage these changes. So how do you maintain sexual health after 50? Here are some practical tips. First, talk to your doctor. Don't be afraid to discuss concerns like low libido, erectile dysfunction, or pain. Ask about medication side effects and STD testing. Remember, self-advocacy is key. Second, talk to your partner. Open communication about desires, likes, and dislikes is crucial for a satisfying sex life and STD prevention. If relationship issues are affecting intimacy, consider therapy. Third, lead a healthy lifestyle. Overall health impacts sexual health. Eat healthy, exercise regularly, limit alcohol and tobacco, maintain a healthy weight, and reduce stress with techniques like yoga or meditation. Your body will thank you. In conclusion, maintaining sexual health after 50 is absolutely possible. Prioritize open communication and seek out resources. For more information, check out the National Council on Aging article linked below. Take charge of your sexual health and revitalize your love life. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more health tips. See you next time.